Good morning, students. So now we are starting management level, that is gateway level. Those who are CAs, CWAs, MBAs, and MCOM, they are required to give gateway exam, an entrance exam called gateway exam. The syllabus of gateway and the management level is same. First of all, I am concentrating on CAs, CWAs, MBAs and MCOMs. They are required to give a gateway exam. In gateway, we have principally the syllabus is F2, P2 and E2. E2 is enterprise pillar, P2 is performance pillar and F2 is financial pillar. This includes IFRS, this includes management accounting and finance, and this includes marketing. For gateway, the exam will be of one single paper 100 marks. For gateway, the exam will be of one single paper 100 marks, out of which 25 marks, each question will be of 25 marks and 4 questions will be asked. Choice will not be there. Whole paper we have to solve. 4 questions, 25 marks each. 25 marks from F2, 25 marks from P2, 25 marks from E2 and 25 marks, combination of these 3 in the form of MCQs, multiple choice questions. This 25 marks F2, that is financial pillar, will include consolidation. That is in 25 marks we are going to receive 25 marks consolidated financial statements, income statement, cash flow statement, that is all relating to consolidation will be asked in 25 marks. In this 25 marks, we are going to receive question on, this will be the part piece, part A, part B, part C and part D. Part A is F2, part B is E2, part C is P2 and part D is MCQ. So this 25 marks, that is P2, includes marginal costing, optimum product mix decisions, just in time, total quality management, target costing and all that. That is 25 marks, one question. This includes some quantitative techniques also, linear programming and learning curve. Linear programming and learning curve, 2 topics are there, that is also covered here. Then 25 marks we have marketing. In this marketing, the E2 books, 5 chapters relating to project management. 5 chapters relating to project management will be asked in 25 marks. They are covering principally 30% of E2 syllabus. 30% of E2 syllabus. This consolidation portion of F2, which will be asked for 25 marks, this will cover around 70% of F2 syllabus. And P2, 25 marks, management accounting question will cover 70% of P2 syllabus. That is, for 75 marks, we have to study 70% F2, 70% P2 and 30% E2. And the remaining portion of F2, P2, E2 will be asked in multiple choices in combined for 25 marks. The multiple choice question will be ranging from 2 marks to 4 marks. Generally, they give 12 questions in 25 marks. Now, the syllabus is huge, so it should be thoroughly prepared, and pass marking is out of 100 we have to score 50. Once we qualify in November term, gateway level, then we are allowed to give strategic level in May. That includes 3 papers. And the last will be top SEMA, which we can give in November 2014. So, for sitting in the exams 3 times, we need to do gateway, we need to complete strategic level, and we need to complete top SEMA level. That is gateway. The whole syllabus is applicable for management level also. But for management level, we have F2 100 marks paper, E2 100 marks paper, and P2 100 marks paper. In all the 3 papers, there will be 10 marks each, 5 questions. There will be 10 marks each, 5 questions. And there will be 25 marks each, 2 questions. In all the 3 papers, 10 marks each, 5 questions, 50 marks, and 25 marks each, 2 questions, 50 marks. So total it will be 100 marks. In all these papers, no choice will be given. Full 100 marks paper we need to solve. So the management level student needs to complete all these papers thoroughly, just like gateway level. For gateway we are having 100 marks, 1 paper including all the 3 subjects. And for management level we have 3 separate papers, 100 marks each. But for both the courses the syllabus is same. We will be conducting weekly 2 classes, and for management level, regarding P2, there will be 1 extra class. So there will be weekly management level 3 classes and gateway level 2 classes. Our objective is to complete this syllabus by October end, and by 10th of November, we are going to solve past term papers. So the objective, the target is to complete the syllabus with all the papers with revisions by 10th November. The way of teaching, first of all, in any subject, in any of these 3 subjects, I will explain the concept. When I am explaining the concept, please listen to me. Don't try to write down anything in your copy. Because after discussing the thing, after taking queries from you, I will on myself give a brief notes to all of you so that you can refer that in future. But जब मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, जब मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ, आप उस समय कुछ लिखिए मत. मे बी एक्सप्लेन करने के टाइम पे आई एम गिविंग 30 मिनट्स 40 मिनट्स, डोंट बॉदर. वो सारी चीज़ हम लोग शॉर्ट में पूरे डिस्कशन के बाद अच्छे से लिखेंगे. यानी कि फर्स्ट पार्ट इज डिस्कशन, उस समय आप मेरे को केवल सुनिए. डिस्कशन कंप्लीट होने के बाद मैं आपको शॉर्ट नोट्स लिखवाऊंगा, वो शॉर्ट नोट्स आप लिखेंगे और फिर उसके बाद हम लोग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे और हर टॉपिक में इसी तरह से अपनी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट वी विल डू F2 पोर्शन, एटलीस्ट 30 to 40% पोर्शन. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग F2 we will be doing side by side P2 and E2. But F2 is easy to understand, for that reason पहले अपने F2 start करेंगे and then later on we start in the meantime E2 and P2. So the system is that we will complete the syllabus by October end and papers between 1st to 10th of November. And first of all I will explain everything, don't write at that time. After completing the discussion, I will make notes of it and then we will solve the problems. Okay? So let us start with F2.